Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert numbers into Roman letters on Microsoft Excel. In Microsoft Excel has many functions. If you would like to convert the Roman letter from numbers, then you can use the Excel functions. Let's learn how you can convert the numbers into Roman letters. In this Excel sheet, I have a student's mark list. So here the student name, marks, grade. Then I have to convert the grade as a Roman letter. So first I have to select the cell. Then I have to add the equals and the Roman. Then click on the tab. It will be open the bracket. Then I have to select the cell what you would like to convert into the numbers into Roman letters. Add comma. It will be open the format for the Roman letters. I have to choose simplified. Then I have to close the bracket. That's it. Then click on the tab. Now the number has been converted into Roman letters. So if you would like to apply the entire row, so I have to select this and just drag it. So in this way you can convert the numbers into Roman letters. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.